I had a very busy day this day, so let me share with you guys what I did. So I went to work, it was my break. I decided to go ahead and mail the prize that I did for a giveaway on Instagram. If you guys don't know, I do giveaways every now and then on there, so if you guys want to be a part of it, head over there now. So I was going to go to Sephora to recycle these products, but anyway, first up is the post office. I haven't actually mailed anything in quite some time, so I was like, oh, I wonder if this box is going to be okay. Fun fact, Ozpost has like this flat rate box that you can send. I believe it was like $12, so whatever you can put in, as long as it's under 5 kilos and it fits in this box, like the small box, it's fine. I was amazed by that. I did not know that. Anyway, after that I went over to Sephora, and like I said, I was going to take advantage of the TerraCycle program. Basically at Sephora you get points for recycling products, and why not? So I think I had 12 items, so that gave me 150 points, which you can apply to future orders, whether it be in store, online. Not an ad, by the way. And anyway, got home and then I decided to put on a glam. If I'm being honest, was feeling a little bit self-conscious. If I'm being honest, my mental health hasn't been that great recently. But anyway, this is me in the elevator and I finally arrived at the event. So this is a Pinterest workshop hosted by Kit. So Kit is a epic, let's just say that, epic arts and crafts person. It's really hard to describe what she does, but she basically creates all these props for brand activations and shoots and stuff like that, like really, really good stuff. So it was really nice to actually have her like host this and learn some of her techniques and kind of like her story behind how she got to where she is and what she does and why she does things. Anyway, this is the final result. It's like a flower, and then I went to Woolies on the way home, and then my partner picked me up, and this is our dog Raspberry. He really enjoyed the flower. I think he really wanted to bite it though.